News in detail. Pope Francis, the beloved leader of the Roman Catholic Church, was laid to rest today at the Basilica of St. Mary Major in Rome. His funeral mass, led by Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re, took place in St. Peter's Square in Vatican City, beginning at 1:30 p.m. IST. Thousands of mourners, including world leaders, clerics and pilgrims, gathered to pay their final respects. His wooden coffin, adorned with a large cross, was carried into the square by 14 white-gloved pallbearers, receiving applause from the crowd. Among the dignitaries present were Indian President Draupadi Murmu, US President Donald Trump, French President Emmanuel Macron, Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, and Argentine President Javier Milei. The funeral marks the end of an era for the Catholic Church as the world bids farewell to a Pope known for his humility, compassion and dedication to social justice.